Hi, I'm John with WTI. Are you just a little bit nervous after the pandemic that your immune system might be a little low and you want something to build it up? Well, my wife and I were. Life is kind of getting back to normal now after the pandemic. People are going out, not wearing masks. And so we wanted something to really help with our immune system, just to give it that little boost that it might need to fight anything that you come across. So we've been taking this black elderberry syrup. We really like it for what it tastes great. I guess that's what elderberry tastes like. It tastes great. It's very concentrated. So as you can see, it's not too liquidy, but it has a fairly thick consistency, which I really like. And so far since taking it, my wife and I haven't been sick yet. So I think it's helping, along with a good diet, to really boost my immune system. I like how it's USDA certified as organic, so you know you're getting a good quality product. So if you're looking for something to really boost your immune system and just help fight off whatever you may come across out at the shopping mall, at the gym, or wherever you are, then I highly recommend this elderberry syrup. Again, I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.